I want to record some Spanish lessons, but I don't have a camera. The only thing I have is a desktop with Linux and an internet connection. After searching on my old stuff, I found an old camera. This is the camera. So now I have a desktop with Linux and an old camera and an internet. Do you think I will be able to connect the camera and record the lessons? Let's see if I am able to install and configure the camera. So what I'm going to use to record the lessons is OBS for Linux. So first thing is to do an update on Linux. The second thing is to go to the internet and download OBS for Linux. After installing OBS, I'm going to open OBS and install the camera into the computer and see if it works. So this is a cable that goes on the connection for the camera. It doesn't seem to be the original, but let's see. So I'm going to connect it to the camera, this end over here. And the other end to the computer, a USB connection. Okay, so now it's connected. Now let's see. Turn on the camera. Okay, the camera is on. Okay, the camera has been detected as a volume on Linux. Now there is an option here to switch the camera to a webcam. PC cam. Select the PC cam and see what happens. It doesn't seem to see it. Let's try to add a camera. Let's try video capture. And there you go. It was detected automatically by Linux. Now I can create my Spanish lessons or any other recording using OBS on Linux and my old camera. Thank you for subscribing, share and like it, and I'll see you in the next video.